All right, so we're gonna get my haircut right now, bro. It's a mess. Get a haircut, pretty much almost a buzz cut. Get a high fade, like right here. Trim up the beard. I don't know if I want to lower it or I just want to line it up and just grow it out. I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna grow it out, but just line it up, clean it up on the neck and everything like that. Tomorrow we're going to Jacksonville. I'm going to Jacksonville. And pretty much spend New Year's there. You'll see I'll be vlogging that as well, and I'll also be posting that on my Instagram as well, so make sure you guys like follow my Instagram because I said so and type shit. But yeah, gonna be getting my haircut, then going home and pretty much just working all day. Yesterday and the day before I made 1K days, and so far we're at 311, so that's pretty good. And it's like 1 o'clock so far. And as soon as it hits nighttime, bro, it starts to go crazy because people are off of work. And then California, which is 2 hours behind, they start going crazy. They love buying my products. So I'm sure we're gonna hit around the $700 to $800 day. We're already at 311. But if we can get up to 1K, man, that's gonna be 3 days in a row with this new organic dropshipping product. I did get an offer for somebody to buy it, which is in the talks right now. And I've only started a month ago and I'm already getting offered a good amount, in my opinion. So we'll see if I decide to sell the shop and move on to a different dropshipping product. Also this weekend I'm gonna be seeing if I start doing another product, so running 2 products at a time, just to increase my profits and everything like that as quick as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the haircut after it's done. All right, y'all, so here's the cut. Bro only charged me $30. I gave him like 60, but like $30, bro. It's a fire cut. He got the beard right, bro. Never went to this guy before, bro, but like he's fire. Anyways, but I have my own barber anyways, but he's just out of town. But this guy was perfect, bro. Now I'm about to probably get some food and then go home, get some work done. I have the biggest headache in the world right now. I stayed up like until 2 or 3. I'm just like chilling, working a little bit, and just, you know, hanging out. But yeah, man, like I said, gonna grab some food, might get some Whataburger. I'll put y'all on. If y'all don't have Whataburger, bro, move to a city that has Whataburger. Bro, best thing ever, the most unhealthiest food you'll ever have in your life. But yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all what it is. I just had some bomb ass food, bro, but I forgot to show you guys. As soon as I just finished, I forgot. I was like, damn, I was supposed to show them. Good as hell. Had a nice vanilla shake. I am gonna hit the gym later, so I'll burn all those calories off. But yeah, about to head home and just work. But yeah, this vlog is not gonna be a crazy vlog. It's gonna be a chill day. I am going to Jacksonville tomorrow, so you'll be seeing that. You'll be seeing the AMGs I'll be driving. Also, it's like 8 p.m. right now. Just got a bunch of tasks done. I still have a little bit left more to do. Right now, I'm just pretty much doing laundry so I can pack and get ready for tomorrow because I'm leaving in the morning to go to Jacksonville like I was telling you guys earlier. But for right now, I'm just about to see what content I want to post while I'm there. So I'm getting all the content ideas and everything like that while I'm in Jacksonville. Pretty much while my work day was consisting of getting back to some comments on Instagram. If you guys don't know, my video hit 100 million views for organic dropshipping. So that's pretty exciting. Once I, get everything ready, I'm going to drop a case study. I did get an offer to sell my Shopify store, including all the social media with a 100 million view video. That goes for around 5 figures. So, but I don't think I'm going to take it just because my Instagram, it's a primed Instagram account. I have so much potential to turn that Instagram account into anything I want. So I think I'm going to decline the offer. It was 5 figures, over 10K, over 20K. That's amazing, especially if this is my first month doing organic dropshipping with this specific product. So that's an insane amount of revenue coming into my pocket. But I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and decline it. I'm making $1,000 days right now. Today I only made around 539 and it's only 8 p.m. So I still have 4 hours to go plus the West Coast. So that gives me around 6 hours of consistent sales coming in. My prediction earlier was around $700 and I'm at 539. I think we can hit $700, but maybe not. Maybe we'll hit just around 600, 650, which is still really good. Hopefully tomorrow, since it's Saturday, we're gonna print a bunch of money. But yeah, man, that's pretty much my day in the life. Nothing too crazy. This week I will be going to Jacksonville, so you'll see a lot of things that I'll do, including all the cars and everything like that. You'll see a nice lifestyle when I get to Jacksonville. I am going to be pre-recording all my videos for dropshipping while I'm here in Pensacola, and then go and post them while I'm gone in Jacksonville for a week. So I am going to get up and start doing that. in the bathroom. That gives you a little hint of what my product is. I don't know, maybe you've seen it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right now. I appreciate every single one of you guys that have been watching my videos, that's been sticking with me through this journey, whether that's on YouTube, Instagram, just any social media in general. I do appreciate it all. If you are not on my Instagram, if you want to connect with me, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and click that link down in the description below. You can go ahead and connect with me while I still have low followers. So get in before I start popping off.